Yeah, hi guys. Today we are going to the in-depth of intro of trading. What is trading all about? Why do people go into trading? What are the benefits? And what are the regrets of trading? So, with no further ado, let us go straight to the charts. If you must trade, be it trading forex or trading crypto, there are two types of trading you need to know: forex trading and crypto trading. So if you must be in partake of any of these, you need to always analyze the market. And one of the best popular app people use in analyzing the market is called the Trading View, which I'm about to open right now. So you see that you pay for the free version or you paid for the um you continue using the free version. I think you can use the free version without you paying for it, and it's okay. So let's jump right into it with no further ado. So this is how the trading view look like. You have your account being signed up here. If you haven't signed up, you'll be given a place where you can sign up here, and here you can analyze the market. So be it trading forex or trading crypto, you can actually use trading view for any of this. So currently right now we are looking at the Bitcoin chart. Likewise, you can also check on the forex trade, but I deal on crypto pairs. So I trade crypto only, strictly on crypto. So we are looking at the charts, and know this look confusing. If this is your first time you are viewing something like this, probably seeing a chart like this, this is how it look like. But as the time goes on, you will understand what trading is all about. So this is a Bitcoin chart. All you can see in your screen here is a red candle and a green candle, a red candle and a green candle. And don't let it confuse you, because it is nothing. So what we see here, you either call this a downtrend or an uptrend. The market is consists of three things. Yeah, the market does three things, which I'm going to be explaining right to you. If you're going to be trading any of these pairs, be it Bitcoin, Forex, or crypto pairs or stock pairs, you are looking for three things. Either the market is giving you a sign like this, something like this, you can see. Either the market is giving you something like this. Okay, let me make it a little bit little. Yeah, either the market is giving you something like this. You can see either you're seeing something like this. You can see this, or you are seeing something, or you're seeing something like this. Don't worry, I'm going to explain the difference of all this. Either you are seeing something like this, or you are seeing something like this, or then you're seeing something like yeah, I think I tried. Yeah, or you're seeing something like this. In other words, either you're getting an uptrend, or markets just accumulate, or you are getting a downtrend. So this is what we trade on the market: either an uptrend, downtrend, or just market is accumulating. You call it accumulation. So what do we do on this market? We trade this, we don't trade. Don't get it wrong. We can trade this, but we can't trade this. The reason we can't trade this, I will get right to it, why we can't trade it. Don't forget, this is just an intro of what you are trading. So we are not rushing anything, but taking it step by step. So you can trade this when the market is uptrend, and you can trade this when you can't trade this because this is just accumulation, no direction is the reason why you can't trade it. It doesn't go up, it's not going up, it's not going down, it's just accumulating. We call it accumulation, or we call it there's another word for it. If I remember, I'll let you know. But what I know, we call it accumulating. Market is actually deciding where to go. It's looking if it's to go up or it's to go down, and then continue uptrend or continue downtrend. So this is an uptrend and this is a downtrend. When the market is going down, we eventually look for a buy, and if the market is going up, we look for a buy. If the market is going down, we look for a sell. So we trade this and we trade this. We don't trade this. So as simple as that. So other things you must understand: forex trading is, or crypto trading, is a good thing. Many people tell you one of the hardest way to get easy money, but if you know what you're doing in the market, you will actually skate through. Is the reason why you must learn before you earn. Always learn before you earn. You don't just go into the market and say because you see candlesticks going up and down, back and forth, and you want to jump right into the market. So let's check what we actually discuss right now on the chart, so we can see what we're saying. So there's one thing you need to know when trading. When trading, we trade with the banks. Each of these candles you see are being moved by the banks. Now when you see something like this, when you see something like this, these are moved by banks, hedge funds, big companies, not just a retail trader. We are just a retail trader. What do? We follow what the market does. Okay, people that move these markets, this is a lot of money, and this is Bitcoin. So you need a lot of assets to make a big move like this. Likewise, whoever picked up this move also from here. If you look what we just discussed previously, this is a downtrend. You can see this is just accumulation, and this is an uptrend. If we should analyze this, you see what I'm trying to say. This is an uptrend. This is a downtrend. This is an uptrend. This right here is accumulation. You see why I say you don't trade accumulation. You allow it to give you a direction of where it's going to, then before you jump right into it. There are many ways you trade the markets by using technical analysis, fundamental analysis. They have different ways to trade this market. But one thing is you need to know is to master your strategy. Know what works for you. Like me, I trade other blocks and trade fair value gap, and those things work for me. So if it's not that, I don't trade. When I don't see my setup, I don't jump into the market. I just allow the market to do its thing, and then I know what I'm doing. I look for a buy or look for a sell. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is on a downtrend. You can see this is on a downtrend. Easiest way to always point at a trend, no matter how rough the chart is, first thing first, you must go to an higher time frame. That is how you analyze the market. You first go to an higher time frame and know what the market is saying before you jump right into it. You don't just jump into any market you see and said, oh, this market is on a buy, or this market is on a sell, or this market is doing this or is doing that. First thing first, always jump to an higher time frame to identify the trend of the market. Like I said, uptrend, market accumulation, and this is a downtrend right here. So what I drew here, you can find it here, you can find it here, and you can always see it's very easy. Downtrend, you can see the downtrend here. Uptrend, you can see it here. Most time the market might not just be so smooth like this. Uptrend might be just crawling like this. Probably you might see an uptrend like this. It just goes up and then go down from here, then goes up again, then comes down from here. goes up again, then comes down, goes up, comes down, goes up again. So one thing you must know about uptrend is this. Let me make you understand something. In an uptrend, what you are expected to see in the market is this. You have to see something like this, creating an high, not be able to take out the low. We stop probably here, creating another high to take off the previous high. You can see coming down again to retest, creating another high again, coming down again to retest, creating another high again. What do we see? Higher highs, what we're always making. Creating another high that take off the high, creating another high again. You see, that is how you identify an uptrend. It must always take out the previous high. Failure to take up the previous high, market may be doing a retracement, or market might change character to the downside or break structure to the downside. So we get to that part. So you can see this high was taken in an uptrend. This high was taken, 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 this high was also taken, and this high was taken. So this is what make up an uptrend. This is what you find in an uptrend. Another easy step to know an uptrend is when you see one, it's very easy to identify. You just take out your trend line. This is a trend line 2. You just take it, and from that where you can put this, just touch and follow all this, and you see this is an uptrend. Likewise, a downtrend. What you can see on a downtrend is like this. It goes up, it takes out, what you see in a downtrend is the market tries to go up, then comes down to take out this low, goes up again, comes down to take up this low again, goes up, comes down to take up this low, goes up again, comes down to take up this, goes up again, comes down, go again, it goes, it comes down. Market's always creating a lower low. You can see. Hold on, let me just show this way. Okay, what you expect to see on a downtrend is this. You see the market comes like this, trying to go up, comes down, take off that low, comes down again, take off the other low, goes up, comes again, take off this 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 low, goes up again, and likewise keep doing the same thing, but taking out all the previous low. This one is lower than this one is lower than this one is lower than this. So another way you can also get this trend is just get the trend line 2, and then you put it above it, and then you get exactly what we're saying. So that is just it. Let's go straight to the chart and let us portray one example from here. Take for instance, we are looking for downtrend candle. You can see this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. Let me put it from 1 hour. Okay, this is a downtrend. How do we know? Like this. Take a trend line stick, and then you break it. You see? So this is a downtrend until you get to this place. You can see this was where the downtrend stopped. Okay, another example would be inside the chart. Let us go inside the chart and look for a downtrend. These are uptrend. Take from here, put this here, and then you can swing from uptrend. You can see what I'm doing. Take another one again, and it only goes down. It only went down for a couple of Y. You see, it went down to this place. And this is an uptrend again. You see what the market is doing? So this is a downtrend. and like I pinpointed before, I said it was a downtrend. So you see, so the market always tell you what it's doing. So you can see, so this is an uptrend, uptrend, and downtrend is what the market does. Up, down, up. So probably we're currently on a downtrend. So Bitcoin currently on a downtrend. You can see up, down, what the market does. You must understand the direction of the market before you can jump into the market. You cannot just see a trend running and then you just want to run into it. I will take my time to explain this downtrend and uptrend because this is one of the main important things This is one of the main important things you must understand in the market before going into trading. Know the direction of the market before you're going to think about your strategy or know what you're going to do. So this is an uptrend, and let us look for market that is accumulating. To look for accumulation, it's not hard to know. This market, okay, this is not an up or down trend. This one is like accumulating. You can see a accumulation market here. This is accumulation. No direction, it doesn't goes up, no down. This is another accumulating market. I told you we don't trade this. We always wait for market to break through it. You can see accumulating. Accumulation also. This is accumulating. This is accumulation. So you see, it's very easy to know when you see an accumulating market. This is accumulating again. Okay, so that is it. So currently right now, this trend we are into is currently on a downtrend. You can see currently on a downtrend. So if you must enter this trade, you'll be looking for a sell. Yeah, you can't just jump into it and say market is going down, let me just start selling. No, you must look for somewhere to enter for a sell. In my own opinion, if this market should retrace, I think I will enter for a sell around 64,527. This will be my entry point if I am to take this trade, but I'm not taking any trade now. I am just insinuating. So you first, you must know the direction of a trend before you enter a trend. When this market was buying up, if you go to the lower time frame, you will see they all correspond. When this market was actually going up, I could remember I actually looked for a buy. When it was coming down, I looked for a sell. The trade I took yesterday, I took that trade actually from here. Yeah, I took it from, I think from around 65,000. This was around 65k. I took that trade, and you see, it respected it. There's one thing you must know. That is why I tell you must always use the higher time frame. For the fact that you're seeing a downtrend, and in that downtrend, you are still having something like this inside the downtrend. You're still seeing the market going up and down. You're still seeing the market going up. You're still seeing market going. Let me show you something. You might say, but this thing is a downtrend. How come I'm still seeing this? You are still seeing this zig. But you can see each time the market it breaks below, taking all this low. You see, it breaks below, taking all that low. Continue again. It breaks below again, taking all that low. You can see. So this is why I said you always see lower low. It brings out, when market is on a downtrend, you get lower lows. It always breaks down. You see, another break of structure. We call this a break of structure. So the market broke structure to the downside, it kept breaking structure. So currently right here, I think the market tried to take out the previous low. You see, the previous low it made, so refusing to break, accumulate a little, then it breaks again. Now what did you see? Now it breaks again to the downside. So you see, that is just it. low, this low took out all this low. You see, this low took out all this low, so you can see no other low is below this recent one it created. You can see, so it took out all of them, and yeah, and it took out all of them, and it's trying to know if it's going to continue downtrend or probably doing a retracement. I expect this market to do a retracement back to 64 and continue. So you don't say because the market is about to do a retracement you want to go for a buy. No, you wait for the market to come to you to this place and continue to sell. The reason, because you don't predict the market, you act according to what the market brings. You react to the market. So when you look at a trend like this, you know this is a downtrend. You don't expect this market to buy, or even if it's going to buy, it's just doing a retracement. Retracements mean when you see a market going down, for instance, when you see a downtrend, when you see something like this is a downtrend. Okay, when you see a downtrend, whenever the market breaks down, it tends to go up. You can see it tends to go up, but not breaking above all this. If it breaks above all this, then the market might eventually want to continue going down or going up. Probably it comes to grab liquidity. We get right to that. What is liquidity? We will come to that. It tends to grab liquidity and then continue to the downside. So what you expect to see in this market is just keep going like this, coming down to create more lower lows, and eventually want to buy. Like I said, eventually wants to go up to take liquidity or probably do an retracement and continue going down because it's a downtrend until there is a change of character, which we're going to talk about that soon. Until there's a change of character and a break of structure to the upside, this remain a downtrend. So I don't know how far I've been doing this, but I think we have to continue this video in the next minutes because this recorder only record for 15 minutes. So